Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel all about electrical. So today we will learn about how to take meter reading. In previous video I have shown you what are the meter specification and about everything about meter. So today I will show you how to take meter reading one by one. What are the parameters are recorded in meter. So let's begin with here. First the meter will show you the date of your current date of your meter, and next it will show the time. So this meter is I have recorded this video on 23 and time is 23:37. So next it will show the consumption, cumulative consumption. Cumulative consumption is uh, 2570.3 kilowatt hour. Now means cumulative means it's up to date consumption. I have recorded this video on 23, so up to 23 June my consumption is 2570.3 kilowatt hour. Here is my recorded MD 1.86, my maximum demand. Maximum demand means your total connected load of your home, you are switching it on at a time. So your demand from utility, my maximum demand is 1.86 kilowatt. It is highest recorded in this month. It is recorded on 22/6/21 at 13 hours. Here it's the 6 month previous. The meter will also show you your previous 6 month consumption. So current month is June, so your previous readings like May, April, March, February, January and December, uh, the meter uh, the readings get recorded in this meter. See, you can see here. And the meter will also show you the 6 month maximum demand with date and time, which is coming up now. The maximum demand, you can easily analyze what time maximum demand is coming. Here's its date and with time. Your maximum demand should not exceed this your sanction load, otherwise you will get penalized. Here's my voltage and here's my current, and here my present wattage. So there is zero tamper count here. Yes. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video if you found it useful. Thank you.